Adventurers working all the time. Wow, oh, what a wonderful day.
Hola, Diego. How are you?
I'm fine, Dora.
Let's go, Diego. Where are we going?
To the moon.
Where are we going?
To the moon.
Let's have a road trip.
Let's go. Vroom, vroom. Oh, look at them, Dora.
Oh no, why are they sad? Come on, Diego. Let's go to them.
Hola, how are you guys?
Hola, Diego and Dora. Why are you gathering?
I think they have a big problem.
Do you have a problem?
We're facing a big problem right now in our process, which caused to our business unit to lose. Can you help us?
Sure, but first, tell us about your product.
This is our product, the binocular unit.
Oh, fantastico! But what is binocular?
It is a device that making the objects that are far away from us to look nearer and larger.
And what are the major parts of binocular?
It has ocular lens, prism assay, focusing lens, and objective lens.
And also, what are the uses of this binocular?
Well, it uses in wildlife viewing, stargazing, and military use.
Oh, great! Amazing!
Your problem is interesting. I think we need our teamwork to solve the problem. Okay, Dora and friends, let's solve the problem.
Let's go!
And now, can you talk about the big parts they encounter?
Sure, Dora. We have a lot of scrap parts that increase the income of our business unit.
Did you categorize all the defect parts?
Yes, Diego. For your information, our parts are supplied by our customer. First, we separate material defect and workmanship error. As a result, we got 66.49% material defect, which is uncontrollable, and 33.51% workmanship error, which is controllable.
So we will focus on workmanship error.
And what are the usual parts of scrap and its values to say that's the main losses?
Can I see your data?
Sure, Dora. Here's the data we gathered.
Oh, I see. First, I check the usual defect parts encountered on your process. As a result, double paste adhesive tape has the highest contributor.
That's true, Dora.
But but objective lens 50mm has the highest scrap cost amounting of 260,000 pesos.
You are right.
But
Why?
wait,
The double paste adhesive tape goes to the list because it's low value only.
that's right. Oh wait, how long you encountered these and how many percent in a month?
Here is the data we gathered. From December 2021 to May 2022, overall defect rates of objective lens increased 1.80%.
Oh, I just noticed to the data you provided on the month of March why it suddenly increased.
Oh yes, I remember. It suddenly increased last March due to introduction of our new model, ESR1. And based on our observation, spanner easily slip on retainer during tightening because the slot of retainer is shallow.
So interesting. What is the appearance of the objective lens 50mm?
This is apparent on objective lens 50mm, which is convex,
What is convex?
meaning the one surface of objective lens is curved outward. Our criteria is no contamination or defect on objective lens.
What kind of defects?
Scratch. It is any mark on the surface due to sharp and pointed objects. And we have two types of scratch, the fine scratch and thin scratch, which are both no good and visual appearance.
But wait, please tell us about the process flow of your product.
First, we have parts preparations followed by sub-assembly, main assembly, adjustment, visual inspection, gas charge, final assembly, final visual inspection, QA, packaging, and customer.
Oh, that is the process flow of your product. So, we need to call them up to help us to determine where the process encounter scratches. So, we call them up.
Where is the map?
Se você vai aplicar, olha, eu posso te ajudar. Quem só? Quem só? Sempre mata seu baba.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. According to our map, the main assembly, sub-assembly, adjustment, gas charge, and final assembly are the processes on which objective lens scratch happen.
So, I therefore conclude on this problem that the objective lens 50 mm has the highest scrap cost on binocular assembly.
It's also the most costly part.
And once damaged, is not repairable.
And it will be charged on our business unit.
Oh no, it's a big problem. But based on your data you gave, 1.31% is the lowest defect you've got. But which is 27%, it's better than your overall defect. We aim you to target a 40% improvement. Can you do it?
Yes, we can do it!
And I will recommend fishbone diagram to analyze the problem. Okay team, let's analyze the problem.
Let's go!
Come on, follow now. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going?
Solve problem.
So, we have finished to analyze the problem using the fishbone diagram you recommended. As a result, these are the causes we got why the objective lens have the scratches.
Did you validate all your actions?
Yes, Diego.
Are they effective?
Yes, Diego. Cow and Bay explained the analysis we gathered.
And for our cost analysis, uno, no designated area for tools. Objective lens hit on scattered tools on working area. Thus, no protection cover on objective lens. Objective lens hit on other units while placing of units on tray. And this is
True cost!
Thread, spanner of objective lens retainer has no stopper. Spanner slip on the objective lens during tightening. And this is
True cost!
So, Diego, we have finished the cost analysis. So, what's the next?
Okay, Dora, I think we need a backpack to help us. Please, call a backpack!
Backpack!
Backpack, backpack. Backpack, backpack. On the backpack, load it up with things.
Okay, friends, do you see the things inside my backpack?
yes, Diego. We have spanner, cover, tool set.
Hey, I think all the things inside my backpack can help us for our action. Let's have our action.
to proceed with the validation and action. Spanner slip on the objective lens during tightening. We provide video for you to see the actual scenario. As you can see, the spanner accidentally slipped on the objective lens during tightening. For our action, we modify the spanner by adding the stopper with the rubber type coating. Before, spanner slipped on the objective lens. After our action, spanner has no chance for slipping. Based on the video, the spanner will not go scratch because it is protected by the stopper with the rubber type coating. We also conduct evaluation of 30 units and the result is no scratch!
For the cost validation for no protection of objective lens during placing on tray, objective lens is after lens housing which causes a scratch. This is the video where you can see objective lens accidentally run to other unit when placing on tray. For our action, we provide cover which is made of latan. And now objective lens hits the other unit. Now objective lens is no longer bumping on other units because of the cover we provided, and we conduct 30 pieces units evaluation, and the result is
No scratch!
And for our last cost validation for non-designated tools on the machine table during process, we provide
Okay, scratch
tools
siya.
that on the machine table to standardize the arrangement of tools to avoid hitting the objective lens on the scattered tools. So we conduct 30 unit sample and the result is
No scratch! Swiper no scratching! Swiper no scratching! Swiper no scratching!
Oh man!
And with this presentation, we will proceed to our action result.
And for our action result from December 2021 to May 2022, the overall defect rate is 1.80%. But on June 2022 to October 2022, after action implemented, the defect rate goes down to 0.81%.
Hooray!
But wait, there's more. Our target is 40% scrap rate reduction, but we achieved 55%. And we are proud to say that
Target achieved!
With the help of this planning, we succeed. And now we're monitoring all the actions we had.
And I'm very glad to say, guys, that our group achieved its goal of reducing objective lens 50 mm scrap rate defect by more than 40% through achieving only 0.81% from 1.80% as of November 2022. and with no significant investment applied.
And all our action will be reflected on WPI and 1-point lesson.
And guys, we had the good news!
Wow,
For our cost saving, for our material cost, we save 462,000 pesos!
Hooray!
And for our labor cost repair, we save 21,000 pesos!
Hooray!
And for our overall savings annually, we save 484,000 pesos, and we are proud to say that
We did it!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Ellie team up! We did it!
Oh, this is our benefits. First, decrease the scrap rate objectiveness. Second, save scrap costing and labor cost. We also improve our productivity and also improve the quality enhancement of the product. And the important is, we increase our customer satisfaction.
Correct,
Diego.
In addition, we also enhance our critical thinking
Process awareness, skill inspections,
Skill enhancement.
increase productivity.
and improve harmonious work relationship.
So, Diego, we have finished to solve your problem.
Dora, I'm so happy to help them.
Gracias,
Diego and Dora.
You're welcome. Vámonos, amigas.
Goodbye!
We would like to thank Box Assembly Management who developed our skills, camaraderie, teamwork, and analytical thinking, confidence, and creativity through a series of training and participation in quality control circle. We are also thankful to our facilitator and to all engineers who spent their time and valuable ideas on this project. Once again,
We are Diego, the defense controller. Thank you.
Alright! Thank you, everyone! There goes the defense controller! Again, our clue number 8 is from manufacturing of binocular assembly of bags under OEM parts manufacturing.
And now, we will now have our question and answer for 3 minutes.